Today our topic is I will ask you some question. So you have to answer me. You have to answer me. First, I would like to ask Anudita. Anudita, what is this?
This is a duster.
Yeah, this is a duster. Anudita, listen to me carefully. Very good. So Anudita, you have to speak a little loud. आपको थोड़ा सा जोर से बोलना. Do you understand? So this is a duster. So I will put it on the table.
Yes.
I will put it on the table like this, and I will ask you some question related to it. So can you answer me? Yes. Yes. So where is the duster?
The duster is on the table.
Yes, very good. Everybody clapping. The duster is on the table. I remove it from. So look at here. What is this? What is
The
this?
pen.
What
This
is
is
this?
a pen.
Yes, this is a pen. This is a pen. So do you have any pen? आपके पास कोई पेन है?
Yes.
Yes. How many pen do you have?
Three.
Three pens. So very good. So three pens. So I will put it on the table. So and I will ask you question again. So where is the pen?
The pen is on the table.
Yes, the pen is on the. Everybody clapping. Everybody clapping. So next. No. What is this?
This is a chalk.
So this is a chalk. So I will put it on the table and like this. So where is the chalk?
The chalk is on the table.
Yes, very good. Everybody clapping. The chalk is on the table. I will remove it from the table. No, so very good. So next. So what is this?
This is a pencil.
So this is a pencil. So do you have any pencil? कोई आपके पास pencil है? So how many pencil do you have? आपके पास कितने pencil? So three pencils. So I will put it on the table like this. So and I will ask you the question again. So where is the pencil?
The pencil is on the table.
Yes, the pencil is on the table. Very good. Clapping. Everybody. You did good. Yes, come. You did good. Well, everybody clapping for Anudita. Clapping. Let us see. So, don't you like that? So, no. So, everybody cut.